How to send USDT from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Bybit application and you want to head over to the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, you just want to go to your assets from your account section and view how much USDT you have. Once you take note of that, all you have to do is just go back here and then click on the withdraw option. Once you do that, search for USDT and tap on it. Now you're going to need to choose a network and an address. For that, you can go back to your Phantom wallet. And here, as you can see, Phantom actually provides only three options. Those three options are Solana, Ethereum, or Polygon. So you can continue on with Solana or Ethereum or even Polygon. So for that, you are going to have to go back to your Bybit and choose the chain type as Solana. And then you just go back here on Trust Wallet to copy your Solana's receiving address. Copy it and then paste it on your Bybit. Once that is done, make sure that you have the gas fee covered as well. So it's going to cost you some transaction fee. Now, once that is done, you can just scroll down and enter the amount. Then you can just simply tap on withdraw and your USDT should be transferred from Bybit to the Phantom wallet. If that is helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.